Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Dollar Tree DIY farmhouse mirror. We're duplicating this mirror from Pottery Barn that goes for $700, and we're going to duplicate it with mirrors from Dollar Tree for about $50. So stay tuned to see how we make this mirror. What you'll need to do this mirror is the plywood, silicone, 30 mirrors from Dollar Tree, and some stain. So first you're going to go ahead and set up your mirrors the way you would like them, measure them out on the plywood, and go ahead and cut that piece out. The next step is I went ahead and sanded down the plywood that I cut just to get it as smooth as I possibly could. I used the 80 grit sandpaper for this. You go ahead and sand it well and also get the corners and the edges of the plywood that you cut. Now it's time to go ahead and stain the piece of plywood. I'm using an old rag, and you just want to add a little amount of stain at a time and just go ahead and apply it to the wood. I'm using these tumbling tower game pieces from Dollar Tree. I had these as extras, and I'm going to use these for spacers for the tiled mirror. The reason we stain the wood brown and use these spacers is so that it gives the illusion as if the mirrors were actually framed out with trim like the Pottery Barn mirror. Check the description bar. There I'll have the measurement of the piece of wood that I used and the thickness of the plywood, and all the materials that I used will be listed in the description bar. So now I went ahead and I'm continuing to add the tiled mirror. I brought this inside. It was getting dark out. So now I'm starting with the second mirror. I'm doing the same exact thing, and I'm using those game pieces for my spacers and just making sure everything is lined up perfectly. So I'm also taking a ruler and just making sure that the measurements match. So like I said, everything is lined up perfectly. So like I said, I'm using silicone, clear silicone to glue this down onto the wood. You could take the tabs off also, and if you do take the tabs off, you definitely need to use this clear silicone. So I'm just continuing that first bottom row, and then next I'm going to go up with the second row. Once you have that L-shaped row going first, adding the rest of the tiles is a breeze. So like I said, once you have that first L shape going with the mirrors, adding the rest of the tiles is going to be really easy. All you're going to do is, like I have there in the picture, just have your two pieces on each side of the mirror and just start applying those tiles until you're done. And this is the completed project. It came out really beautiful. It looks really expensive. For only about $50, you can have this mirror that goes for $700 at Pottery Barn. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy Dollar Tree DIY tutorial. If you did, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this Dollar Tree DIY. Also, don't forget to give me that thumbs up for this video. Also, share the video with your friends and family. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button for more Dollar Tree DIYs.